The UK government has suffered a blow to its immigration policy after the Supreme Court ruled Rwanda was not a safe destination to send asylum seekers. The plan was part of a flagship policy to deter asylum seekers away from Britain as they would be sent to Rwanda instead. But the government still believes its plan could be workable with tweaks to make it legal, as Stuart Smith reports from London.
This case centred on whether it was safe to send refugees to Rwanda for asylum. The government says that it is, but the Supreme Court justices disagreed. They believe that, based on plenty of evidence from the United Nations Refugee Agency, that there is a huge risk any asylum seekers sent to the country could end up back to the country they are fleeing. They said that there are issues with the Rwandan government when it comes to extrajudicial killings, deaths in custody, forced disappearances and torture, and questions as to whether the Rwandan courts would act independently to the government if there was a sensitive case. The Supreme Court justices said they had seen evidence which suggested Rwanda has been doing that, sending asylum seekers back to their home countries, and if that were to happen from any asylum seeker who had been seeking asylum in the UK, that would mean the UK is breaching its obligations under international law. So it's a blow for the government, but Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister, says they are already working on a new agreement with Rwanda, and more importantly, he suggested it means that the principle of sending asylum seekers to a third nation to be processed would potentially be okay. The Supreme Court had no issue with that. The issue was with the current state of the Rwandan justice system and the political situation there. Stuart Smith, SABC News, London.